Hey guys, Wix websites can absolutely rank on Google in 2025, but you need to go beyond just building the site. And here's a complete step-by-step SEO plan to help your Wix site reach Google's first page instantly. So you'll have to basically start with navigating to the Wix dashboard and navigating to the marketing section. And here, you'll have to click on SEO setup checklist. Here, you'll have to make sure that the Wix SEO setup checklist is completed and no red buttons like this is found. Everything is green. So the Wix SEO setup checklist helps you set up titles, meta descriptions, alt text, and Google Search Console connection. It's an essential first step for site visibility. You can also click on SEO Learning Hub and learn more about this. Then you can go back and you'll have to click on Connect to Google and get connected to Google Search Console, through which you can connect to see how many clicks and impressions your site is getting on Google. That helps in tracking the SEO performance. Now, you can navigate to menu and pages, navigate to SEO basics for each page. Use unique keyword-rich titles and descriptions that match what people actually search for. Also, clean up URLs, short, direct slugs like services rank better than cluttered auto-generated links. Now, step 3 is submitting your sitemap to Google. So in the SEO tools, navigate to site verification and connect to Google Search Console. This is the step that I shown you previously. Make sure you connect to Google Search Console. Once connected, submit your sitemap, usually like yoursite.com/sitemap.xml, to help Google crawl and index your entire site quickly. Now, Wix templates are mobile friendly, but slow load times can still hurt your rankings. Compress large images, avoid animation overload, and test your site using Google's mobile-friendly test to ensure fast performance. Now, link your key pages and blog posts together to help Google navigate your site. Start a blog to regularly post keyword-targeted content, and this keeps your site stay active and increase your chances of ranking for long-tail searches. Now, final verdict, Wix can rank well on Google if you go beyond basics. So use SEO checklist, optimize mobile speed, and publish fresh, useful content consistently. With these steps, you can climb the ranking even without technical SEO skills. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.